Hey guys, good morning. So we are here in the beautiful city of Iloilo, or the city of love. So yeah, today is gonna be a great day for a food adventure. We're gonna be strolling around the city and hopefully we can showcase how beautiful not only the city is but also the people that lives here. So let's go guys. I cannot stress enough how clean this place is and how safe it is. Even at night, you don't have to worry about walking around. It's just amazing, guys, and the ambience, the people. Wow. Oh, we have arrived here at their public market, La Paz Public Market, which is where Netong's famous La Paz Bachoy is located at. So we are here at Netong's to try out their special bachoy. So look at this, guys. Here, guys, they say this is the best pair for their bachoy. So this is puto. Oh yeah. Oh, that's nice. So it's savory and salty, and it has a hint of like bloody livery aftertaste. Puto, guys. Oh, it's literally puto like what we have. So it's very sticky and it's on the sweeter side. Look at this, guys. Chicharron, liver, some chunks of pork, egg noodles. Oh, that was so good, guys. So we are here at Roberto's famous siopaw. Go, guys, Roberto's. Place is back. You can actually tell how good this place is, guys. Just look how packed the inside is. Meatballs, guys, lumpia. These are their best sellers, guys. So there's Queen and King siopaw. Alright, crossing, guys, heading to the park. Alright, guys, so if there's one more thing that we noticed here, it's that the streets of Iloilo is very clean. You don't see any trash on the road. And I wish some parts of the Philippines where it's less cleaner could learn a thing or two from them. Wow, look how beautiful the capital is. So this is their city hall, guys. That looks amazing. And here's their park. So this is where we're gonna chill, try out the meatballs and the siopaw as well. So if you look around here in this area, there's so many old buildings, probably more than 100 years old. There's one here, this church, and then most of the buildings surrounding this area looks very historical. Oh, this place is beautiful. Oh, here, perfect bench. You want here or over there? How about there? It's hot. Okay, here we go. Alright, so we found a bench here. And it's just right in front of their church. Perfect spot, it's not hot. Let's Hi, baby. You want some meatballs? Okay. I'll give you some. Good? On a scale of 1 to 10, how delicious is it?
I give this an 8.
8.
I like meatballs.
Okay. Alright, guys. Now I'm gonna try Roberto's meatball on a stick. Nice and soft on the inside. So sorry for earlier, we weren't able to eat the siopaw. Something came up actually. We needed to go back to the hotel. But now we are continuing this vlog. We are here by Molo Plaza, the mansion right behind me, and the beautiful church. So we're gonna roam around here for a bit. And then it is off to some seafood for dinner. Oh, hey guys. Come on, step in, don't be shy. Welcome to my house. Come on. Everyone's welcome. Yeah, but this, jokes aside guys, this is Molo Mansion. So what's inside now currently are souvenir items where tourists can buy. There's an eatery here outside where you can dine and chill. But it's just so beautiful, guys. And right in front where we are about to walk around, is the beautiful church. Some historical buildings around. Yeah, this is beautiful Iloilo, guys. So Molo Plaza, guys, this is where we were doing our arm wrestling and calisthenics earlier. So just be extra cautious here when crossing the road. Just look how beautiful that is. Wow, there's a mass going on at the moment. And I could see from the distance that they're not done with their arm wrestling. Wow, look at this, guys. Oh my God. So beautiful. Wow.
It's a huge church. Hello.
Hi, baby. Ilang taon ka na, Angel? Ilang taon ka? How old? 6, 7? Oh, pilang? 6. Wow, 6 years old. Tapos si Ayana? 3 years old. Hi, Ayana. Saan ba kayo nakatira? Tanggol? Brother mo ba yan? Hi!
Si Cardo, to din na.
Cardo? Ah.
Si to, tawag naman si Tanggol.
Tanggol. Wow.
Picture ka.
Picture ka? Gusto mo mag-picture? Sige, teka. Actually see a bunch of dudes here doing calisthenics, guys. These are actually the group that does arm wrestling Iloilo. I actually have a separate vlog of how I ended up here doing some arm wrestling with them. So stay tuned for that, guys. It was such a wild experience. It was so random. I was just walking by their boulevard. I met someone. He brought me here. And then I ended up doing calisthenics and arm wrestling with them. Okay, so we have arrived here. It's like an area full of stalls with only seafood. So we're gonna look around. So this one says 180 per head. And this one is all seafood, I suppose. Yeah, you can see there's oyster, there's chicken. But we're just gonna do a quick walk around the area, see what's best for us, where most people are also dining. Because whenever there's people, that means the place is good. So, yeah, we're just gonna have a quick roam around here and then go from there. Floating Quality Grill and Restaurant. Fresh oysters. So they got fresh oysters, salad, and some scallops. Right guys, so what I got here, some lumpia. I'm not really sure what this is. It's chicken and pork, some pancit and scallops. How's the lumpia? Good?
Good.
How's the scallops?
Fishy.
Very fishy. And I'm guessing this is molo soup?
No, it looks like lomi or
Lomi?
macaroni.
So guys, sorry if the lighting is kind of bad. Funny story, I actually lost my tripod earlier. Food is good guys, but it's just very limited. We actually came here because the Grab driver recommended this place. It's not bad, but after this we're gonna look for another place to eat something else as well. Yeah, there's really something I'm craving for here in Iloilo, but I still don't know what it is. And here is Van with some
got
fried
chicken
chicken and more.
I'm getting talaba. They just taste.
Look at this, guys. Some scallops. They're a bit too fishy for me, guys, but Van seems to love them, so I guess I'm going for some fried chicken. Cheers. Some oysters. Yummy. Very fresh. Very sweet. Oops.
A bit sweet and fresh.
Yeah, nice and sweet. Wow. So, Van ate a lot of oysters, scallops. I had a lot of lumpia. Hi. Look at this sweetheart, guys. Hello. So yeah, guys, that was their simple buffet here. There's actually a few stalls that you can choose from, but this one was the best option we found, and there's actually a few people eating there. Food was great. There's limited choices, but for the price, 180 per head, it's very reasonable. We're just waiting for a Grab here, guys, and then it's off to Mega World, where we are gonna explore the fancier side of Iloilo. We just arrived here in Mega World, and wow, this is definitely the fancy side of Iloilo. Just look at the stunning surrounding. Wow. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys around. Let's go explore this place. Look at this amazing Chevrolet, guys. Woo. So here's K-Town, guys. We're gonna explore K-Town a bit. Sheesh. So there's a lot of resto bars here. Beautiful, beautiful lanterns with a beautiful view in front of me. Look how amazing this place is, guys. People are just eating on the sides. There's a lot of stalls here, and mostly Korean restos, samgyeopsals.
Hello.
Casa de Emperador. And here's a big statue. Mega World. Very fancy place here. Alright guys, so that was our mini tour here in Mega World. We didn't really get to explore the whole area, but we did check their supermarket, what's inside the mall. which was mostly shops. The Korean town was very interesting, right here behind us. So yeah guys, what a beautiful city. Iloilo has been truly amazing. I know we only had one day here. I don't know guys, we might extend when we get back from Guimaras, we will see. But I cannot stress enough how clean this place is and how safe it is. Even at night, you don't have to worry about walking around. It's just amazing guys, and the ambience, the people. Wow, today has been amazing. And guys, trust me, if you watch my next vlog, it's a random day wherein I was just walking around. I met a new friend. He brought me to calisthenics to do some arm wrestling. I met a few people along the way who gave me reasons why you guys should visit here. So yeah guys, it is absolutely a beautiful city. Thank you so much, Iloilo. Yeah, I'm gonna have to end the video here. Tomorrow is a new adventure. We are heading to Guimaras. So that's another exciting day for us. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on our next adventure. Peace.